HowExpert Guide to Online Business. The ultimate handbook for starting, growing, and succeeding in your internet business by HowExpert. If you want to create a successful online business, then HowExpert Guide to Online Business is your roadmap for starting, growing, and thriving in the digital world. Whether you're a beginner, an aspiring entrepreneur, or a seasoned professional, this guide offers the strategies and insights needed to excel in today's competitive landscape. This book covers everything from online business basics to building a strong foundation, setting up a professional presence, leveraging digital marketing, managing growth, and more. Explore diverse models, whether e-commerce, content creation, or digital services, and master strategies to expand your reach and revenue. Introduction. Discover the potential of online business, who this book is for, key concepts, and how to get the most from this guide. Chapter 1. Understanding Online Business Basics. Learn what online business is and explore models like e-commerce, services, and content. Chapter 2. Building a strong foundation. Set clear goals, identify your target market, conduct research, and develop a unique value proposition. Chapter 3. Creating your online business strategy. Choose the right model, build a plan, select a name, and address legal and financial needs. Chapter 4. Setting up your online presence. Build a website, create landing pages, and ensure security and compliance. Chapter 5. E-commerce essentials. Choose platforms, optimize product listings, manage inventory, and streamline checkout. Chapter 6. Content marketing for internet business. Develop strategies, create engaging content, promote it across platforms, and repurpose for reach. Chapter 7. Digital marketing strategies. Implement SEO, PPC advertising, social media marketing, and email campaigns to drive growth. Chapter 8. Leveraging social media for growth. Build a social media strategy, engage audiences, and use paid ads effectively. Chapter 9. Managing and scaling your internet business. Track metrics, analyze performance, hire, outsource, and automate processes. Chapter 10. Building an online brand. Define your brand identity, create consistent messaging, and leverage personal branding. Chapter 11. Monetizing your online business. Diversify revenue streams, use affiliate marketing, launch digital products, and generate passive income. Chapter 12. Customer Relationship Management, CRM. Build loyalty, manage feedback, offer excellent service, and optimize relationships. Chapter 13. Adapting to trends in the digital space. Explore AI, voice search, AR/VR, and sustainable practices to stay ahead. Chapter 14. Overcoming challenges in online business. Overcome obstacles, maintain work-life balance, handle legal issues, and stay motivated. Chapter 15. Building a long-term internet business. Create growth strategies, build partnerships, plan for legacy and exit, and focus on continuous learning. Chapter 16. Appendices. Explore a glossary of terms, useful tools, further reading, and online business events. Why this guide is essential. Complete roadmap. Covers all aspects of starting, growing, and succeeding in online business. Proven strategies. Build a strong brand, scale effectively, and generate sustainable income. Stay updated. Keep up with digital marketing trends, tools, and strategies. Diverse models. Explore e-commerce, content creation, and digital services to fit your vision. Ready to turn your ideas into a profitable venture? HowExpert Guide to Online Business offers not just strategies, but comprehensive support for entrepreneurs at every stage. Whether enhancing your online presence, launching new products, or exploring passive income, this guide provides actionable steps. The digital world offers endless opportunities. Seize them now and turn your vision into reality. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.